Okay, so this is Sasha, and she's a year-old Lhasa-Shih Tzu, and she doesn't like being bathed particularly, doesn't like being handled, so what we're going to do is some desensitisation around the bath. So Linda, if you can just walk forward here and give her a wee piece of chicken. There you go, perfect.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now what I want you to do is, we're going to... So the tap's going on, and Linda's going to start giving Sasha chicken. Perfect. If she moves forward, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, okay? Perfect. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. Okay, and again, so just keep giving it. Just stand at the threshold of the door, that's perfect. Good. Okay, now keep going, and when I turn the tap off, just stop feeding her. That's fine. Okay, so no food. Okay, start feeding now. Good, it's okay, just walk around and give her some food, that's fine. Keep going. Now just see if you just drop the lead and stand on it at that distance, okay? Yeah, so give her some slack so she can get away. Right, that's fine, perfect. Okay? And keep feeding her. Good, now I'm going to turn the tap off and just stop. Okay, so just stand up and turn your face away from her. Just keep your foot in the lead. That's perfect. Okay, I'm going to turn the tap on again. And feed it again. Okay, now I just want you to take, if you can shuffle your feet kind of towards me one step, that's fine. And again, keep feeding her. And take one more step towards me. There we go, and then feed it again, so that she'll hopefully just come up, creep a little bit. Perfect. Good. That's fine, and just put the chicken down to her. Good. Now just keep her at that distance and keep giving her the chicken as long as the tap's running. Just give her a little bit of slack, so if you move your left foot back just a little bit, that's good. Perfect, keep feeding her. Okay, I'm going to turn the tap off. So, tap off means no food, tap on means food. Okay, and then you gradually, what we're going to do is, when the next time you do this, start just beyond, just further back where you are, and hopefully by the end of the 10 minutes you'll get further forward. The next time you start where she is now, so you're basically going back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. But
each time you move forward,
yeah,
two
steps forward, one step back. Yeah. Okay, so the starting position of session 1 is closer than the starting session of session 2. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, but the starting session of session 1 isn't where you finished with session. Sorry, session 2 isn't where you finished with session 1.
No, it's not here. I'm just
you're just going back and then you'll come back. So hopefully by the end of the third session you'll have got to there.
Yeah,
right. Okay, and then you go back again to where she is here and you'll bring her forward, back again and forward. Okay, and then once she's comfortable being in the bathroom, you can then work and bring her in here and handling her with the tap off.
She'll come in the bathroom if I'm in the
Of course, because she knows she's not going in the bath then, yeah. So you then handle her, so she's just getting, if you just take your foot up, see how she yawned there? Okay, so and we're just going to give her a wee break, so we'll go downstairs.